Welcome to Electrical Stuff. This is a channel where you can learn the electrical knowledge in building sector. We are running Home Hack series. In Home Hack series, today's topic is selection of wire sizes in homes. Without further delay, let's start our video. Before jumping the video, let me explain what is Home Hack series. In this series, it will be explained from the concept, design and installation. Each and everything required to construct homes will be explained in this home hack series. So these videos will be posted on Monday. Each Monday the videos will be posted. So please stay tuned to the electrical stuff for interesting videos and home hack series. Now in this video I'm going to explain in our homes we have lights, sockets and air conditions and the refrigerators and washing machines. These all elements are called the load. So to select the wire sizes we need the what is the load. So based upon the load we can be calculate or we can be understand what wire size is required. So in this video I consider the Havells wire sizes. In the Havells wire sizes from this chart I consider the wire sizes and the current ratings. Okay, let's let's see the what is the wire size requirement for the light fixtures. Light fixtures can be, I told you to choose the wire sizes we require the load. Oh, for example, if we consider the wire size is 1 mm square or 17 AWG, then you can load this fixture up to the 1500 wattage. So it means that in the tube lights you can install 15 to 25 number 60 watt tube lights can be installed in this circuit. One circuit you can install these many lights. For example, if you are considering 1.5 mm square 16 AWG, then wire size will be load will be 1500 to 1900 watts, and it means you can install 25 to 30 60 watt tube lights. Then wire sizes 2.5 mm square or 14 AWG, you can go up to the 2500 wattage. So you can install 30 to 40 60 watt tube lights. This is how we can choose the wire sizes for the light fixtures. So what is the for the home general application, what is the recommendation? You can, my recommendation, it will be go 1 square mm. For in homes we can go with 1 square mm. These wire sizes depend upon the country to the country. If for example like Gulf countries like UAE, it is a minimum required wire size is 2.5 mm. This is by authority is required. Like a distribution company, they insist you to provide the wire sizes minimum 2.5 mm square. Whereas up to 1000 to 1500 wattage, you can go with the 1 mm square. It is more than enough. Next we will be see the socket load. Sockets load similarly wire sizes it is 1.5 mm square. You can load 1500 to 1900 wattage and 400 watt. Generally this socket, if you see here, it is a called twin socket. In the twin socket wattage will be, you can load up to 400 wattage for these sockets. So you can install in the 1.5 mm square 3 twin sockets can be, we can be installing this wire sizes, and 2.5 mm square 14 AWG 2000 to 2500 wattage you can load, and 4 twin socket can be installed with these circuits. Basically my recommendation, you go with the 2.5 mm square or 14 AWG wire sizes for socket selections in your home applications. Now we will be see the washing machine. Washing machines. So what is the load for the washing machines? This is a I'll be extract from the nameplate details. From here you see this one 2200 to 2400 wattage. This is the washing machine load. So according to this load, you can go with the 2.5 mm square wire size. It is sufficient for the this much load. Let's see the what is the wire sizes for the refrigerators. Refrigerators generally it is load is between 300 to 1000 wattage. So my recommendation it will be you will go with the 2.5 mm square or 14 AWG wire sizes. Next video topic I'll explain the wire sizes for the air conditions. So till then stay tuned to the electrical stuff. So thanks for watching. If you feel that if any other loads I miss in this video, just put on comment section so that I'll be cover those topics in my next video. Good day. Thank you. Bye bye.